Hi, another day, another surgery. So, our cases for today, we have three cases. No? Actually, two patients, but three procedures. No? First is Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, virgin case. No? So, we're going to harvest the cartilage, the baba flap, the tip plasty, the usual Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, virgin case. So, this is first time is always the best time. I'm always saying that. No? So, this patient will also have a chin augmentation, no? Para mag-harmonize yung face. And the second case is removal of butt implant. According to her, she had, hindi ko pa nakikita actually yung patient from the States, video lang. No? I'm not sure if it's an implant or injection. So, I will see her later. No? Wala pa yung patient. So, removal of butt implant. So, most probably intra-op ko na ipapakita yung video. Okay? So, that's it. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, virgin case, no? So very nice takeoff from the radix, then to the supratip, then the tip. No, I did an overhang correction. I lifted the ila. I did not do any alar trimming anymore in the baba flap, no? Because the nostril is small already. Maliit na siya. So, ganyan, ginano natin. You don't need to do the alar trimming. Okay, then I did the chin augmentation. Meron na po siyang mentolabial angle. So, it harmonized with the tip of the nose. Ganda na. Okay. That's it. Another day, another surgery. Hi. I'm done doing the removal of injection from the butt. No, she had hydrogel injection 12 years ago. No, so yan po the hydrogel migrated here dun sa may inferior part of the butt. So ang pangit tignan. So I need to remove it. I advise her to have an implant. No, so after mag-heal po ito, butt implant po siya. No? So, papakita po namin yung hydrogel na nakuha. No? So, hindi talaga maganda ang injection. Any type of injection na permanent, na silicone oil or like this one, the hydrogel, hindi po maganda yan. Implant po is better. Okay? That's it. Another day, another surgery.